Today official video from Kia comes out. The much anticipated Kia EV9 teaser, which gives a look at the cars outside. Sleek shape, unique lighting, and clear lines give the impression of an electric SUV. Kia will show the exterior and interior design in the middle of March, and the Kia EV9 world premiere in late March will be the time when all product information will be shared. Before Kia EV9 is officially unveiled, we want to show you our rendering. Please take a look. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.